Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share Google Drive link on WhatsApp, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for that purpose, let's go ahead, open our Google Drive first where our file is, and we would like to share that particular file, right? And once your drive is open, it's gonna look like this. Will have all of the files that you have over here. So if you would like to share a particular file for that purpose, yeah, so let's go ahead. This is the file that you want to share, right? Tap on this three dot, tap on this manage access, and see if you have restricted any of it. So if you go tap on this option over here which shows restricted, if you tap on this option and turn it to anyone with the link, that means whoever you will send the link or send the link to, that person will be able to check the file out. If it's restricted, even if you share the link, the person won't be able to see that file. So it's better for you to do it over here first. Once you're done doing that, go ahead, tap on this clip option over here. This will copy the link of your file. Go open your WhatsApp app, search a particular person that you would like to share that file with, tap on this paste, go ahead, paste the link and send it, and you're good to go. The person, you have already sent that particular link to that person right there in your WhatsApp from your Google Drive. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.